Hello guys and girls, I will show you now live payment proof for the capital.com. Today I am for the fourth time take out the payment. Before that I will show you the account that will take the payment, balance of the account. Keep watching my PayAir account balance. Now let's first show the payment proof live. After showing the proof, I will discuss the site. Click now withdrawal of fund. Now choose a payment route. Put the number here, the money you want to withdraw. Funds paid. Roulette your pair account. Now look your amount balance. Click my account. Look here, Sasha 844 Russian ruble. Now look, Suheltas I received 37 into 50 Russian ruble. Here's the activities of all. The amount of Russian ruble I have received here is showing. Now I will show you how to invest. I do not think I need to say anything else. You can understand my activities. Even then, if there is any questions about this site, you can ask questions in my video descriptions or give it to my Facebook. I know as much as I know. I will answer your questions. The activities that show here, there is no reason to think it fake. This is really the real site. This site has been there for many days. Hopefully there will be many more days. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.